Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the volume settings in Gumball with your friends. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, navigate to Audio. Here at the top are the volume settings. Here you can change the overall volume of the game by changing the master volume. Set it to a value between either 0.0 or 1.0. Simply change this slider to your liking. After you're done, you can maybe move on to the music volume. This changes the volume of the music, and it works in a similar way to master volume, so you can apply the same things here. Next is sound effects, which changes the volume of the sound effects. Then there is the proximity chat, which changes the volume of proximity chat, that is the volume of other players speaking to you through the game. Set it however you wish. And after you're done customizing those settings to your liking, you can close the menu, because the changes are automatically saved. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.